Hi my dolls, welcome back to my channel. Let's jump right in. Please observe I'm at Walmart with my scale weighing these balls because Poppy Seed Mini said that to get the tint with the twins it needs to be 85 ounces. So as you can see, none of them straight up said 85 ounces, so I went out on the limb and I got the 84.9 because it was the closest to 85 ounces. And so here I am opening the ball. I'm feeling around for twins and no, I don't feel them. So pretty sure I didn't have twins, but this is what I did get. And so on the video that I watched of Poppy Seed Minis when she was reviewing them, I don't think she had this ball because I was super surprised at finding this baby, so I didn't know you can get it. And it took away all of my disappointment because I feel like it's a better pose even than the twins that I was trying to get. They have like a pose where their arms are crossed under their little chin and they're smiling. It doesn't seem that natural. So I like this pose way better. And it's a red-headed baby. And I have an upcoming storyline involving a red-headed baby. And this is just an alternate pose for the red-headed baby that I already have. So I was super excited about this find. And no, I didn't watch a ton of other ball unboxings, so I didn't know about this one. So I'm not gonna even attempt to put on this little diaper. Cute as it is, I feel like I can spend my time a little bit better. But here is the headband, and that's super cute. It goes on easily because of the material. I just feel like the diaper is gonna fray if you're tugging on it too much. It can probably fit a regular Mattel baby, so I wonder if that is a thing, or baby Chrissy. And I think I'll try that out. But I do like this camera, and I also like this white blanket thing that they have here. And I feel like it's very useful because of the neutralness of it. It's white, so also the basket is very neutral, so I like that. So I feel like I got a lot of useful accessories. And this is why I like this baby, because of this pose. It's so good. And I just have it with the red-headed Sheen princess doll right here, and she's wrapped in the blanket, and that would make for a nice photo shoot. And so this is the diaper on the baby Chrissy, and this is a slick baby, whereas my mini babies are silicone. So these legs kind of just push through the holes, whereas the silicone babies you would have to like pull and tug, and that's what I kind of didn't want to do. Now this also fits on the Mattel babies, and you may not want to stretch your diaper that far. However, I can't see how this is like gonna give a different result than pulling and tugging over silicone, which is not slick plastic. I kind of wish they just gave us the diapers that regularly open and close, just in different colorways. Anyway, that's gonna do it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!